Hi everyone, welcome back to Sophia's Art Supply Review. I'm back again this week with another art haul video, and this time I have art supplies from a brand called Zen Sangam. I have done a review of Zen Sangam's watercolor art journal, and if you haven't watched it yet, don't forget to check it out by clicking the link at the end of this video. Today I'm just going to show you a few of their products, but I'll do a more detailed review with swatch tests, demos, etc. in the coming weeks. So let's see what we have here. When I'd opened up their box, the first thing I saw was this beautiful thank you note with a sweet quote saying, "You're happier than you think." Isn't that so true? This pandemic situation has changed our lives in more ways than one, and we constantly need to be reminded to find joy in the simplest of the things. You can even color up this card and use this as a bookmark or just spin it up on a tack board. The first product that I have with me is the Zen Sangam Sketchbook Journal. This is a A5 size spiral journal with a hardbound cover. It contains 40 sheets of 200 GSM paper, which is acid-free and ultra-smooth. The mediums that they have suggested to use on this paper are pencil, charcoal, pastels, wax, ink, felt tip pens, markers and other dry media techniques. The MRP of this journal is Rs 430. I will do a more detailed video testing out this paper in a separate video. For now, let's move on. The next product is something I'm quite excited about. This is a square sketchpad of 24 sheets designed exclusively for gouache. The size is 20 into 20 centimeters and the paper used is 300 GSM cold press paper. I suppose with these specifications, these may work well with watercolors as well. The format is glue pad style with the ability to use dual side. The cover is really attractive, and if you're an art supply hoarder like me, I'm sure you'll end up picking this up just on the basis of this alluring design. I just can't wait to try these out and share my experience with you. Next up is a loved product. This is an adult coloring book in floral pattern. I've never tried out an adult coloring book, but I'm pretty certain that these are quite effective. Now, my hobby as an artist allows me to spend a considerable amount of time playing around with paint mediums, and I can vouch that nothing is more relaxing. But then there are a lot of people who consider themselves as non-artists, and what they mean by this is that they're not great at drawing. But what if you have these sketch pads where the drawing is already done for you and all you need to do is to borrow your kids' colors and just color them in? I can assure you that even 10 minutes spent doing this will really feel therapeutic. I will of course try and do a more detailed review showing you what kind of mediums you may use on this paper, but you don't have to wait for that. Just grab one of these coloring books from Zen Sangam and a box of coloring pencils and you're good to go. Then we have a set of A4 size cold press 300 GSM paper. These are good to be used with watercolor, tempera, acrylic, ink and mixed media. This set is 10 plus 2, that is 12 papers priced at Rs 275, and incidentally these papers are made in Italy. I'm really eager to try these out since I'm always looking for good paper to replace the rather expensive ones that I'm currently using. The next one also is 300 GSM watercolor papers, but these are 60% cotton and are cloud grained. Visually, there is a stark difference in the surface texture of both the papers, and I'm looking forward to do a demo to show the contrast. Cost-wise, there is an enormous difference. This pack of 8 plus 2, that's 10 sheet, costs a whopping Rs 600. I'm sure that's going to make me feel quite jittery when I'm painting on it, but I would love to test these out. The next product I have is the Zen Artist Sketchbook. This is A4 size, spiral bound and contains 50 sheets of ivory cartridge paper of 150 GSM. The sheets are good to be used with pencil, charcoal, pastels, wax, ink, felt tip pens, markers, and may also be used for dry media techniques. The sketchpad has a soft cover on top but is supported by a cardboard base which makes it quite sturdy. This product is priced at Rs 450. And last but not the least is the Zen Sangam Doodle Sketchbook. This is spiral bound and in a square format with paper size of 30 into 30 centimeters. The paper is 120 GSM thick and is acid free. This may be used with pencils, charcoal, pastels, wax, ink, felt tip pens, crayons, and also for dry media techniques. This too has a soft cover on top with a hard cardboard base for support. This too is priced at Rs 450. Overall, this is quite an impressive collection from Zen Sangam. They seem to have catered to all kinds of artists, irrespective of whether one prefers dry medium or wet. They have wide variety of paper choices in different sizes, format, and even binding. In fact, you don't even have to be an artist to enjoy a Zen Sangam product. You can just pick one of their adult coloring books. I truly believe that the brand has been really creative and thoughtful while building their product basket, and I'm so happy that now we have such a wide range of products available with an Indian brand. Let me know what you think about all the art supplies that I showed you today, and also which ones you would want a detailed review on. Like always, I love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel to watch an art supply review every Wednesday.